Magandang araw, mga NBA fanatics. So, after a long day, here's our NBA recap for today. The Pistons won over the Raptors, 99-95. The Grizzlies lost to the Warriors, 123-118. The Timberwolves won over the Sacramento Kings in overtime at 130-126. The Aaron Fox dropped 60 points for the Kings. That's, I think, the highest for the day for the early season. The Pelicans won over the Nuggets, 101-94. The Rockets clipped the Clippers, 125-104. The Thunder hit Lightning against the Suns, 99-83. The Hawk swing past the Wizards, 129-117. The Cavaliers knifed the Bulls, 144-126, and become the sixth team in the NBA to begin 14-0. The Knicks blasted the Nets, 124-122, beyond Jalen Brunson's late three-pointer with 6.2 seconds left. The Lakers won over the Spurs, 121-105, with LeBron James hitting his fourth consecutive triple-double. The Heat eclipses the Pacers, 124-111. And last game, the Magic whizzes the 76ers, 98-86. For our standings, the Cleveland Cavaliers remain undefeated at 14-0, followed by the Boston Celtics at 10 wins and 3 losses. The Orlando Magic is at third with 8 wins and 6 losses, while the New York Knicks is at fourth with 6 wins and 6 losses. At fifth place is the Atlanta Hawks with 6 wins and 7 losses. And at 6 is the Miami Heat at 5 wins and 6 losses. While at 7 is the Detroit Pistons at 6 wins and 8 losses. At 8th place is the Indiana Pacers at 5 wins and 7 losses. And tied for 9th and 10th place is the Brooklyn Nets and the Chicago Bulls at 5 wins and 8 losses. For the Western Conference, the Oklahoma City Thunders at number 1 with 11 wins at 2 losses, followed by the Golden State Warriors at 10 wins and 2 losses. The Houston Rockets and Phoenix Suns tied at 3-4 with 9-4, while the LA Lakers is at 5th place with 8 wins and 4 losses. The Denver Nuggets is at 6 with 7 wins and 4 losses. While tied for 7th to 9th place is the Minnesota Timberwolves, Sacramento Kings, and Memphis Grizzlies at 7 wins and 6 losses. While tied for 10th place is the LA Clippers and the San Antonio Spurs with 7 wins and 6 losses. For games for tomorrow, we have the Bucks battling the Hornets, the Raptors against the Celtics, the Lakers against the Pelicans, the Spurs battles the Mavericks, and the Jazz will be dancing with the Kings. So that's it, guys. I'll update you again tomorrow after all the games. Ciao everyone. Bye-bye. Let Nick out.